Hello children. In the wave optics, today we will do laws of refraction on the basis of Huygens principle. According to laws of refraction, we can write sin I upon sin R is equal to n2 by n1. This is also known as Snell's law. Let xy is the interface which separates rarer and denser medium. n1 is the refractive index of rarer medium. n2 is the refractive index of denser medium. This is the incident ray of light. This is point A, point of incidence. Point C is the point of, we can say, from this point of incidence, from this point, the rays get refracted. AB is the incident wavefront, and V1 is the speed of light in the rarer medium, and V2 is the speed of light in the denser medium. Let T is the time taken to reach the light from point B to C. So we know the relation, time is equal to distance upon velocity, time is equal to BC upon V1, or we can write here BC is equal to V1T. Similarly, in the diagram, AD is equal to V2T. Now, we can take this is AD, join C to D. So AD is equal to V2T. Now, in the diagram in triangle ABC, this is point ABC. We can write sin I perpendicular upon hypotenuse BC upon AC. In triangle ADC, we can write sin R perpendicular upon hypotenuse AD upon AC. So from here, we can find value of BC is equal to AC sin I, sin R in triangle ADC, sin R AD upon AC, so AD is equal to AC sin R. Now, this is equation number first, equation number second, first divided by second. So we can write here, this is equation number first divided by second. So we can write BC upon AD is equal to AC sin I upon AC sin R. AC and AC will be cancelled. The value of BC is V1T, the value of AD is V2T. T will be cancelled, so V1 upon V2 is equal to sin I upon sin R. But according to the relation, velocity between velocity and refractive index, velocity and refractive index are inversely proportional, so we can write here V1 upon V2 is equal to N2 by N1. So we can write here sin I upon sin R is equal to N2 by N1. So this law is known as Snell's law.